Enrolling in the brand registry is crucial for Amazon to have all the amazing additional features. And I saw Amazon sellers have so many confusion on how to apply for it and enroll on the brand registry. So why not I show you today the whole process of enrolling a brand registry on Amazon from very first to the last. Basically, there are two requirements while enrolling for the brand registry. You need a brand name or a logo that includes your brand name that is permanently affixed on your product or packaging. And most importantly, you need to be the owner of the registered trademark for that brand name or logo, or the owner of a pending trademark application. Even if you have the pending trademark registration, that will also work. Now, if you are using a registered trademark to enroll on the brand registry, it has to be active and issued by the designated government office of a country where Amazon has a corresponding store. For example, in US, trademarks for brand names and logos are issued by the United States Patent and Trademark Office or USPTO. As you can see, I already applied for the trademark. Still it's not approved. But no worries, we can apply for the brand registry with the serial number we have. So let's log into the brand registry. By the way, the credential for Seller Central and brand registry have to be the same. I do have the brand registry. So let's get started. So firstly, what you are going to be do is to the Google and search for Amazon brand registry. You should find it pretty easy and it something look like this. Once you are on this page, then you are going to do the get started button. So you can click on enroll now. If you look on the bottom right corner, you can find the enroll a new brand button. So you can click enroll your brand and then first you need to enter your brand name here. Okay. Now it's really important that the brand name that you enter is identical to the trademark that you were applied for. So what I mean by this, for instance, if your brand name is like Mission Back and the M and B are capitalized and that's why they got a trademark for, then make sure you enter with the M and B capitalized here. If you have applied in the US, then you wanted to select the USA USPTO office. Then you need to enter the trademark number. You can find this in all your corresponding with this USPTO. Then you can choose what type of trademark you have applied for. Finally, on this page, you need to add product image. So as you can see, Amazon says provide at least one images here. So you can provide your products images or the packaging, and please note that it should be clearly showing your brand names and logo. These images should show the product you sell or intended to sell on Amazon and shouldn't be computer generated. So we would recommend if you have that product on your hand, you can take a raw picture of it. So at this point, you have entered all the information about your brand. Now you need to enter some information about your selling account. So firstly, Amazon will ask you whether you are a seller or a vendor. Now the majority of you are going to be a seller, so you can put seller here. Then you need to select the selling accounts. At this point, Amazon will suggest you to select some categories. So you can choose multiple categories. Don't worry. You can choose up to 5 to 6 categories as far as your recommendation. They can also ask you add some ASINs of your product that you already sell. So if you already have the ASIN, you can put your ASINs on this field. Okay, in this section, you can add a URL for your brand website. If you have one, you can add your URLs or any other e-commerce selling platforms, such as if you are selling on eBay, Walmart or other website. You can also put these URLs here, and if you don't have this e-commerce URL, you can put it blank here. Then you can hit next, and then finally Amazon's going to ask you about distributor information. So they will ask you, does your brand sell distributors? For the majority of you who selling directly to the customer, then you just want to select no. And then again for licensing information, Amazon is asking you whether you license your branding or trademark to the other who manufacture products under your brand. Again, the majority of you are not going to be the license out of your brand or a trademark, so you just want to select no. Then you can select submit, and this is going to be sent off to your application with a few minutes. We do have more resources like this. Please visit www.ecomclips.com, which has lots of cool things you wanted to check out to make sure you level up your Amazon sales in 2023. And if you want some help, we can always help you out. We are a full service e-commerce agency with 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we helped and have been managing 1,000 of Amazon choice and bestseller items. You can get a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use this strategy along with 50 other wonderful strategies as well as to level up your account. So check out all resources or give us a call today. Our number is right there on the contact us section. We can talk to you to solve your queries. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.